Hey there, my name's Ashley. I am a digital marketer and a realtor for the last 20 years. Now, I am just getting started with my digital marketing business that I just bought in less than 6 months ago. And I wanted to share with you my journey. So I decided to put together one video that's sharing with you one of my favorite tools. It's called Teleprompter, and this is a part of my daily wealth online, my digital business. This is a part of my tips, tools, tricks, and other hacks playlist. So as you can see on the screen, I'm utilizing Loom, which I absolutely love because it allows you to share with others on your screen what's going on, and they can still see a video of you. I use this in my real estate business as well. So let's get started so that you can see how amazing Teleprompter is and how it can help you succeed in this business. Let's go. Hey everyone, it's Ashley Westbrook here, and today I'm super excited to share something that could literally change your life. Now, if you've been looking for a simple way to start making serious income online without all the confusing tech stuff and endless hours of work, then you've found the right video. Because today I'm going to tell you about a program that thousands of people just like you are already using to achieve massive success online. It's called Daily Wealth Online, and let me tell you, it's game changer. So, what is Daily Wealth Online? In simple terms, it's a high ticket digital product that's designed to help anyone, whether you're a complete newbie or you've tried online business before to generate real income online. Daily Wealth Online provides you with everything you need: the training, the tools, and the support to get started and succeed. It's like having a personal coach guiding you every step of the way, making sure you're on the right path to financial freedom. Now, I know there are tons of online programs out there, and you might be wondering, Ashley, what makes Daily Wealth Online so different? First off, it's simple. I mean, really simple. This program is designed to be easy to understand and follow, even if you have zero experience. There's no complicated tech jargon, no endless learning curve, just step-by-step guidance that's so easy you could start seeing results in no time. Second, it's proven. Thousands of people are already seeing massive success with Daily Wealth Online. I'm talking about real people from all walks of life earning substantial income from the comfort of their own homes. And that's because this program gives you everything you need to succeed, from high converting sales funnels to effective marketing strategies that work. And third, it's flexible. Whether you want to make a few extra $100 a month or scale it up to a full-time income, Daily Wealth Online lets you decide how much time and effort you want to invest. It's totally up to you. I've personally seen the transformation this program has brought about. People who were once struggling to make ends meet are now living their dream lives. Imagine waking up every day knowing you have a system in place that generates income for you. It's a reality for so many people right now, and it can be your reality too. I've seen stay-at-home moms turn into powerhouse entrepreneurs, college students paying off their loans without stress, and retirees finally finding the financial freedom they've always dreamed of. These are not just success stories, they are proof that Daily Wealth Online works. If you're ready to take control of your financial future and you want a straightforward, proven way to start making money online, then Daily Wealth Online is for you. And the best part, you can start today. Just click the link in the description below to get instant access to Daily Wealth Online. You'll be taken to a page where you can learn even more about how amazing this program works and how you can get started. Remember, success loves speed. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start seeing results. So don't wait. Click that link, join the Daily Wealth Online family, and take the first steps towards financial freedom. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more tips on making money online, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. If you like the Teleprompter app that you witnessed on this video, check out the link below and get 50% off sign up discount. And as always, feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you're excited to join Daily Wealth Online. I love hearing from you. Until next time, stay amazing, and I'll see you on the next video.